what I think and what I hope might be two different things. Trev is currently 2-1, and for me, I was one of the few people who didn't desert her last year for her second win in the Prix de l'Arc de Triomphe. She's had a completely different and, in fact, more successful prep this year. She runs in the Prix Vermeil on Sunday. She was impressive last time with her. I think it was her fifth Group 1, and she had the summer break. I think she had a kissing spine last year. All that seems to be sorted out. And I think for racing and for adoration, it would be absolutely brilliant to see her win. But perhaps a dark horse in the race could be another of the fairer sex, because you've got Found, who's been running really well in defeat over a mile. She's currently 14-1 with us. She was second in the Irish Guineas. She was second, just beaten at Royal Ascot. Was impressive when she stepped up to a mile and a quarter last time, and her progression could continue. She certainly got the breeding to be a real sensation. And that, for me, I just thought, just an interesting runner as well.